What if the solution to one of the world's biggest environmental problems was hiding in plain sight, growing on trees, not in a lab, not in a factory, but in something people have used for centuries? In Thailand, that idea is already becoming reality. Plastic waste has become a global crisis. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in oceans, rivers, and landfills, harming wildlife and polluting ecosystems. Supermarkets, with their endless layers of plastic packaging, are often seen as part of the problem. But one supermarket in northern Thailand decided to do something different. In the city of Chiang Mai, Rimping Supermarket began wrapping fresh vegetables not in plastic, but in banana leaves, crisp green leaves folded carefully around produce, tied with thin strips of bamboo and labeled with small stickers for pricing. At first glance, it looked almost unreal, like stepping back in time. Banana leaves are strong, flexible, and naturally biodegradable. For generations, they have been used across Southeast Asia to wrap food, carry goods, and protect ingredients from heat and moisture. What Rimping did was take this traditional material and reintroduce it into a modern supermarket setting. The result was powerful. While the system wasn't completely plastic-free, small labels were still used. It drastically reduced the amount of single-use plastic. Every bundle of vegetables wrapped in leaves meant fewer plastic bags heading to the trash. Photos of the banana leaf-wrapped produce were soon shared online, and within days, they went viral. People around the world praised the idea for its simplicity, creativity, and environmental responsibility. Many were surprised by how elegant and practical the solution looked. Others asked the obvious question, if this works here, why not everywhere? The conversation quickly grew beyond one store. The idea sparked wider discussions about how traditional, locally sourced materials could help solve modern environmental problems. Instead of relying only on high-tech innovations, maybe the answer lies in rethinking what we've already known for centuries. Inspired by Thailand's example, similar initiatives began appearing in other parts of Asia. Supermarkets and markets in countries like Vietnam and the Philippines started experimenting with banana leaves and other natural packaging alternatives. It wasn't just about reducing plastic, it was about reconnecting with sustainable practices that had been pushed aside in the name of convenience. This movement shows something important. Fighting plastic pollution doesn't always require massive investments or complex technology. Sometimes it begins with a simple choice, using what nature already provides. A leaf instead of a bag, a tradition instead of waste, and a reminder that small local solutions can create global change, one banana leaf at a time.